If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Kraken, follow these simple steps to ensure it is done correctly. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Access your Kraken account by entering your credentials on the Kraken website or app. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Orders section. Once loaded in, find the Orders tab on the main dashboard. This section will display all your active and pending transactions. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. In the Orders section, look for the specific transaction you wish to cancel. You can identify it by a status, which should indicate that it is still pending. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction to view its details. This will provide you with more information about the order, including the option to cancel it. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transaction on Kraken. Always double check your orders to ensure they are as intended.